Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. In today's video, you are going to hear everything about TCS Digital Exam. Now, stick on to the end of the video to hear some good news from Freshers Now. Before we get into the video, I would like to give a reminder to all the candidates out there that this exam pattern or the structure of the exam or the format of the exam might change from time to time. You can check their official website so that you can get more clarification and more understanding about the updated versions of the exam. The test pattern is going to be under 3 sections. English, which will be taking 10 minutes time to answer 10 to 15 questions. The quantitative aptitude round will be given 40 minutes and you have to answer 20 questions. The coding round is for 60 minutes and you will be given only one question to answer. Now, we will see what is the syllabus and what are the topics that you need to prepare for the exam. For verbal English, topics like parajumble, sentence completion and corrections, passages, vocabulary like synonyms, antonyms, tenses, phrasal verbs, such topics you need to take up for preparation. Now, before I get into the more information of syllabus, please make sure that you are being more updated of the topics to be covered from the official website of the exam. Quantitative aptitude needs the preparation for topics like geometry, progressions, logarithms, numbers, probability, time and work, and etc. So please make sure you are covering up all these topics for your preparation. And also, once again, please check the official website for more updated versions for your preparation. For the advanced coding, it will be under math-based problems, arrays, strings, data structures, algorithm-based problems. So once if you have an idea of how you are dealing with your preparation, then advancedly you can know what more to prepare and how to allot your time for answering each question. Remember, there is a time limit in answering all these questions. Make sure you are well advanced and also well prepared enough in each of the topics which I have mentioned here. Now, for TCS Digital's exam, if you get selected, what is the salary structure that you can expect from them? For a Ninja profile, you will be given 3.6 lakhs per annum. For a digital profile, you can be given 7 lakhs per annum. For innovative profile, it will be given around 11 lakhs per annum. This is a very good pay for all the candidates who can get through this exam. However, the recruitment pattern is under 3 rounds. You have to pass the TCS Digital Online Test, then you have to go through a technical interview, and then comes the HR round. Unless and until you clear all these 3, you will not be selected for the job. Please note that TCS Digital pattern can change anytime. You can also see that in the official website of TCS. Also, if you need more information from TCS or the updated version, you can check our website Freshers Now so that you can know all the updated news from TCS. The link will be placed in the description and you can go nowhere searching for all the updated news. Please make sure that you are being updated in the first place and by checking it from the link which we have provided in the description. Don't be panicked if the exam structure or the format has changed. I have already given a reminder in the beginning of the video and I am reminding here once again. As I have promised in the beginning of the video, there is some good news from Freshers Now. And this is especially for all the freshers who want to be more prepared and enhance their preparation skills. You can check out our website. We are providing free mock test for all of you out there who are preparing for these exams. Now, please make sure that these mock tests are free. You can access them by giving your mobile number or you can log in with your email ID. Either way, or you can get into the website and then you can access all these free mock tests and get started with your preparation. These are all the mock tests that you can get access with. Please make sure that you don't forget to check out our channel Freshers Now, so that you will know more information about the placements, the exam format and every updated news from companies like TCS. I hope this video is very helpful to you all. Please like this video, share it with your friends, whoever is going to take this exam. I hope this outline of TCS digital exam pattern is very helpful or giving at least a brief information. Now, if you have any doubts or if you want any questions to be answered, please make sure that you put it down in the comment section below so that we will see your question and answer them very soon. Don't forget to subscribe for more placement and learning videos from Freshers Now. Thank you so much.